In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to curve text with WordArt in Microsoft Word. Curved text is a simple way to make a title, label, or graphic element stand out, and Word's built-in WordArt tools make it quick and consistent. We'll start by inserting WordArt, replace the placeholder with your own text, and then apply a curved effect so your words follow an arc or a circle. First, open your document and go to the Insert tab along the top of Word. Look for WordArt. When you click it, you'll see a gallery of styles. These are just starting points that bundle a font color, outline, and basic formatting. Pick one that roughly matches your project. Don't worry if it isn't perfect. The important part is getting a WordArt object into your document, and you can always change the look later. Once it appears, you'll see sample text in a text box. Click inside that placeholder and type the words you want. Keep an eye on clarity here. Shorter phrases usually curve more cleanly, and consistent capitalization can help readability. If you make a typo, just edit it like normal text. Now, with the WordArt text selected, we'll apply the curved effect. You'll know it's selected if you see a border with sizing handles around it. At the top of Word, a contextual tab will appear. Depending on your version, it's called Shape Format, or it may show as Drawing Tools, then Format. Click that to reveal formatting options specifically for shapes and WordArt. Find Text Effects, then open Transform. This is where Word groups the text warping options. Under Follow Path or Warp, choose a curved style such as Arch Up, Arch Down, or Circle. Arch Up lifts the text into a gentle smile. Arch Down creates the opposite arc. And Circle wraps the text around a circular path. As you pick a style, your WordArt updates instantly so you can see how it looks with your exact wording. If you click a style and nothing seems to change, double-check that the WordArt object itself is selected, not just the insertion point inside it. Selecting the object ensures the transform effect applies to the whole text. That's it. You inserted WordArt, replaced the placeholder with your own words, and applied a curved transform. From here, you can experiment by returning to Text Effects and choosing different curved styles until you find the one that fits your design. Curved text works especially well for headings, badges, and page accents, and it remains editable, so you can refine the wording anytime without starting over.